Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick video in my Painless 360 Answers series. Now this is a question from a gentleman called Drew Graham, who was asking, is there a way to make the splash screen last longer? Even the voice gets cut off. Now I have this set up on all my radios.
Welcome to OpenTX.
And the good news is you can do it. Now on a radio like this, you press and hold the menu button to go into the radio setup, and on the first screen you have things like your date and time and stuff. If you zoom all the way down here, quite a way down, there it is, you have the option for splash screen, and if I can say it, you can actually change the time here, Drew. So mine's set 4 seconds by default, so if you have a very long file or audio file that plays along with your splash screen, then you can change it here, so that works. Hopefully, Drew, that helps. If you have any other quick questions that you'd like me to answer in a video, do pop them down below, and do check out the rest of my Painless Answers series. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that, if you're trying to learn a topic, will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.